Hey guys, guess where we are? Leavenworth, Washington. This cute little Switzerland town. Shut up. Oh my gosh. We are staying at the Bavarian Lodge in a balcony. Look at this balcony. A balcony room. It was $300 and some odd. And across the way there is the square. Is that the cutest thing ever? Look at that. Tons of stores, tons of eateries. Mountains. Look at those mountains. Yeah, there's traffic. It's the main thoroughfare, which we didn't know that the main road goes right through Leavenworth. Okay, I got to show you the room. See, here's our little balcony. Look how cute the little flowers. There's no one next to us. And they have the high chair so you can sit and look out. Okay, here's the room. Oh, is this freaking adorable? This is the couch, so the sitting room. Look at that bed. Is that the cutest thing? Hi, honey.
Sasquatch is here.
Yeah. Okay, we'll go around here. Look at our little fireplace. She says it probably will get cold tonight. You can turn on your fireplace. I'm like, what? Hell yeah. Our little bear. I mean, is that so cute or what? I was gonna see if this light came on here. There, yeah. Our little lamp there. Okay, let's move on over here so I can show you the rest. This is our TV with like a desk area, kinda. Here is like a wet bar. This has your microwave, coffee, fridge, cute little sink. Oh my gosh, I can't stand it. Look at that. Hi guys. What up? Here's the shower.
How was the bed?
Towels.
Oh, the bed's good.
John seems to like the bed. So now I'm going to turn it this way. So this is what we seen when we walked in, but I was so excited I went backwards. All right, guys, we just had to show you our room.
Show them the street across.
Yeah, I even zoomed in on that. All right, guys, isn't that awesome? I'm just so excited. I've been wanting to come here. It's like Switzerland that I'll never get to, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.